Have you ever tried to hold something in a vise, only to have it slip, slide, or get crushed? Traditional vices are great if you're working with a perfect square or a flat board, but the real world isn't flat. It's full of curves, odd angles, and irregular shapes. That is exactly where this tool comes in. It's a complete rethink of how we hold objects while we work. Inspired by a clever design from over 100 years ago, this gadget has been totally re-engineered for the modern workshop. It uses something called fractal grip technology. Instead of two flat walls closing in, it uses layered, interlocking jaws that move independently. When you tighten it, the jaws literally wrap themselves around the object. Whether you're holding a round pipe, a 3D printed model, or a jagged piece of metal, it conforms to the shape to give you a rock-solid grip without damaging the edges. One of the coolest things about this tool is how versatile it is. Most vices only grip from the outside, but this product supports both external gripping and internal expansion. If you're working on a hollow part, you can actually flip the jaws to push outward, securing the item from the inside. And the best part, you don't need any extra tools or disassembly to make the switch. You just rotate the modular jaws and you're ready to go. The design is all about saving you time. It features quick swap jaws that handle 90-degree angles, rounds, and even trapezoids. Because of the built-in indexing pin system, you can swap these modules out in seconds. You spend less time fiddling with your setup and more time actually creating. It also features a precision tilt base. This means you can angle your workpiece exactly where you need it, perfect for laser engraving, soldering, or detailed assembly. Even though it's compact, this tool is a powerhouse. It offers a clamping range of up to 120 millimeters, which is pretty impressive for its size. It's also completely portable. It uses a tool-free mounting system that lets you clamp it onto a desk or workbench without drilling any holes. You can take it from your garage to a makerspace or even use it outdoors, and it won't leave a single mark on your table. It was built to be durable and easy to maintain. The creators kept the design simple so that dust, wood chips, or paint won't get trapped inside the mechanism. It's a straightforward, robust tool designed for engineers, hobbyists, and anyone who loves working with their hands. It isn't just a vise. It's a solution for all those impossible shapes that traditional tools just can't handle. If you're tired of struggling with old-school clamps, this might be the upgrade your workbench needs. If you enjoyed this deep dive into workshop tech, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with a fellow maker. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational look-ins at innovative tools. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.